Hello, welcome to Anointed Practical Engineering Training Center. At Anointed Practical Engineering Training Center, we are focusing on bridging the gap between the industry and then academia. When you come to Anointed Practical Engineering Training Center, we offer 80% hands-on practical education. First of all, we take you through the fundamental principles, and then secondly, you go to the workshop. Then the third phase is where you go to the field with our field engineers to have a real-time experience on the field. We have programs like electronics engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and ICT programs. So we enroll students from the GHS to the tertiary level. Anointed Practical Engineering Training Center is located at Anointed House, number 77 Anointed House, off the Odoko Malam Highway. You can call us or contact us on 0544 33 7171.